change the order of integration for evaluation of minus 2 to 2 integral power and integral power 0 to square root of 4 minus x square for the function 2 minus x into dy into dx. To find out the solution, first we try to draw the diagram for the given condition. Here this one is y equal to 0 and upper limit y is square root of 4 minus x square. So here by squaring this one, we can write it as y square equal to 4 minus x square, and we bring the x square to the left hand side so that we can write it this as x square plus y square equal to 4. So this is nothing but 2 square circle. Here radius is 2. So we can modify this one and we can write it as x square equal to, we write it this as x square equal to 4 minus y square, and x can be written as plus or minus square root of 4 minus y square. So here we have the circle. We draw the circle and we draw the quadrant. So this is nothing but y-axis and this one is x-axis. This is the circle. X square plus y square equal to 2 square. So here radius is 2, that means center is 0. Then we can write x as minus 2 to 2. So here we can see that x value is minus 2 to 2 and y value is 0 to square root of 4 minus x square. And here y axis, it starts from 0, that is y is 0 at this point, then y is up to the circle. So here we must consider the upper part. So this area we must find out. Now by changing the order of integration, so here x is constant. Now we must write y as constant. So here we must write y is this value from 0 to 2. So here y varies as 0 to 2. So x varies as, we have the limits here. Here circle curve is nothing but minus square root of 4 minus y square, and the right hand side we can write it as square root of 4 minus y square. So this is the limits. We have changed it from minus 2 to 2, 0 to square root of 4 minus x square for the function 2 minus x into dy by dx as in this way. Now we write the integration. So here y is constant, so y is 0 to 2 and x is minus square root of 4 minus y square to square root of 4 minus y square for the function 2 minus x into, first we integrate with respect to x. So here this is nothing but x equal to integrating with respect to x. So what we get? Integral limit is 0 to 2. 2 integration is 2 into x minus x integration is x square dividing by 2. Limit is minus square root of 4 minus y square to plus square root of 4 minus y square, and we must integrate with respect to y further. So here we apply the upper limit. Here 2 is taken common. We apply the upper limit square root of 4 minus y square, minus for the lower limit, and here one more minus, minus into minus plus square root of 4 minus y square minus 1 by 2. Here square is the So if we square this one, square root get cancelled. Minus square root of 4 minus y square whole square. So here this one we must integrate with respect to x. So here we can cancel this one. If we square this become plus, so plus minus term is there, get cancelled. Integration minus 2 to 2 times, here we have 2 times square root of 4 minus y square into dy. Now if we multiply this one, we can do by two ways. First one is minus 2 to 2 square root of 4 minus y square into dy by substitution method. So here 4 minus y square, we must write it as 4 times cos square x or 4 times sin square x. So if you want to write it in this form, so we must modify this one, 4 into 1 minus sin square x. So here if we multiply this one, 4 minus 4 times sin square x. So here if we compare this one, we can write it as y equal to sin x. So this is one of the method. Or else what we can do, simply we substitute y equal to, here 2 times sin x. Here 4 is there. Remember here what are the terms are there, that should be taken in terms of square root. 4 square root is 2 and here minus y square is there. We can write it as sin or cos. Anything we can write. Y is 2 times sin x. Then if we differentiate this one, dy is 2 times cos x into dx. And here minus 2 is there. So here when y equal to minus 2. So what will you get? Minus 2 equal to 2 times sin x. 2 get cancelled. Minus 1 is sin x. So sin 90 is minus. Sin 90 is 1. Sin minus 90 is minus 1. So we can write it this as x is sin inverse of minus 1 equal to pi by 2 minus. So there is a small changes here. We have written the limit. Here limit is 0 to 2 is there. So this should be 0. So that here we get plus 2. So sin 90 is pi by 2. This is plus. And when y is 0, so we have the limits. When y is 0, so we substitute this value here. We get 0 equal to 2 times sin x. Sin x is 0. X is 0. Now this value we substitute here. Now the limit is changed as 4 times integral x is 0 and upper limit pi by 2. Here square root of 4 times y is 2 sin x. So here we get 4 sin square x if we square. And dy is there. Dy can be written as dy is 2 times cos x into dx. So we take the values. 4 is taken common. We get 1 minus sin square x square root into 2 times cos x into dx. Now 4 times integration 0 to pi by 2. So square root of 4 is 2. 1 minus sin square x can be written as cos square x. So a 2 cos x into dx is there. Now we multiply 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16. 16 limit is 0 to pi by 2. Here cos square x square root is cos x into cos x into dx. So this one we can write it as integration 0 to pi by 2, 16 times cos square x into dx. So already we know the formula for this limit is 0 to pi by 2. We can write it this as 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 in the numerator, denominator 2. So if we subtract further, it becomes 0. So what we must do? We get 1 by 2 here. When we get 1 by 2, we should multiply by pi by 2. So here if we simplify this one, we get the answer 4 pi. So this is nothing but integral minus 2 to 2 integral 0 to square root of 4 minus x square 4 minus x square into 2 minus x into dy dx. We have written the limit as 0 to 2 integral minus square root of 4 minus y square to square root of 4 minus y square 2 minus x into dx dy. So we get the same answer if we use any method. So this is nothing but changing the order of integration.